Hey there, this recording is to do with possibly one of the most famous equations in the world. Um, it's obviously the energy equation Einstein came up with, which is E is equal to mc squared. Um, Pretty much the understanding of it is that the total energy of any atom is E is equal to mc squared, where m is the mass and c is the speed of light. The purpose of this recording is to describe how you can derive that solution in pi space, which is just a theory of spheres and relating to our physical world. So it's so simple to derive this in pi space, it's almost child's play. Basically, any atom of any size in any frame of reference has E equals mc squared. That's pretty much what the formula means. But to derive it in pi space is very simple. The area of a the area of an atom or a sphere is pi times d squared. Okay, so that's called the square rule, and then the diameter of the object is related to the velocity. So the total diameter of any atom or sphere is from speed 0 to speed of light c. So when you move in pi space or in reality, essentially all that happens according to the theory is that the atom shrinks. So when you travel at the speed of light, which is the fastest that you can travel, you've essentially used up all of the diameter of the object, and the atom would theoretically return to a wave format, which is E is equal to hf. Now there is an upper limit on how much you can compress a pi shell or an atom, as shown in general relativity, but the idea would be that if you could completely compress an atom and use up all of its diameter, what you essentially do is you have what's called complete compression. This is a diagram for complete compression. This is what's called the diameter line here, and essentially you would take this observer sphere, this diameter line, in other words all of this area, and remove it, right? And that's E is equal to mc squared. So if we apply the pi space atom view, where an atom is just a sphere, you're removing all the area of the sphere, the modified Einstein formula becomes E is equal to m times pi times c squared. So in other words, once again in the pi space theory, we reintroduce the constant pi. The pi c squared, all that it means is that c is the diameter of any atom in any frame of reference. So the fully qualified formula in pi space is E is equal to m times pi times c squared, where pi times d squared is the area of a sphere. So essentially area equals energy, and then times the mass of the object, or the atom in case, and that's it. It's real simple. That's the proof of E is equal to mc squared. All you need to know is the formula for the area of a sphere. I apply it to the function, knowing that area equals the area of a sphere equals its energy, and that's how you get E is equal to mc squared. So that's the proof.